In this video, I will show you how to send money using Zelle on Chase Bank. The first things first, you need to enroll to Zelle itself using your US checking from your actual Chase Bank. Click onto the zellepay.com and then from in there, head over and then click onto this Get Started option. Once you have done that, you can see in here this. So you can head over and search in here for this one. For example, let's head over and look in here for Chase. So here's our actual bank account right there. Just look for Chase onto this list. There's a lot of options. Here's Chase Bank. Then click onto this continue to your bank. And then from in there, just head over and then click onto the open an account option and enroll in it using that. Now, once you have enrolled to a bank account with Zelle, next thing you need to do is just head over to your Chase Bank mobile app. Onto your mobile app, enter your password as well as your username and then log in. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your actual account. So what you can do is you can just head over and then just click on to this pay and transfer option right here on the bottom. Once you've clicked that, you should be able to see in here this. Click onto this send money with Zelle, or you can also choose in here this request or split with Zelle. From in there, click on either one and then just enter the recipient that will receive that money from you.